you're transporting anything with a carburetor, you want to make sure to turn the fuel off. I didn't one time and got to my destination. Once I pulled it and it was hydrolocked, about broke my hand. So you always want to turn the fuel off.
Today, we're going to go down and ride mini bikes. Glad to see you're back. Stay tuned. And we're on our way to the back, where everybody's already got the mini bikes sparked up and having fun. We're going to go see what's going on. I am really happy to see everybody's back today to enjoy and spend a little time together with you. And I can hear the mini bikes going. We're going to watch some wheelies and no telling what else is going to happen. Trucks are parked down here. Looks like it's already unloaded. And everybody's going. Hello there. Tell us your name.
Justin.
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 Jay?
Jay.
Jay. All right, we like that.
Okay.
All right, show us what you got. What's going on? You're not riding a mini bike. Oh, eating popcorn. Be on break. You already tired? Hope y'all's enjoying it. Well, it looks like everybody's taking a break. Everybody got tired. Broke it.
Ethan, you didn't get to do our race, but we just did one without you.
Well, I'm going to. I just have to tighten this.
Yeah, but mine's like real slow at first, and then it gets the get-go. It's like, okay, we're going to
Yeah, she probably beat me, but I'm a little more comfortable where it gets bumpy and shit.
What do we got going over here?
We got some loose brake handles.
Loose brake handles.
Actually, there's a bunch of
loose.
There's a bunch of loose stuff on it.
How'd they get loose?
I guess I'm riding it too hard.
Oh,
With,
too many wheelies? Running in some pretty rough terrain down here for such small bikes. Think we're going to see any accidents? There we go.
Hang on, I gotta get these things.
There's your swamp ass.
Quit talking about my swamp ass.
Oh, I gotta cut that.
That's explicit. Hang on.
It's like poop.
There we go.
It's dust and swamp.
That there, down there. Tighten it up.
Usually if you how to get
Okay, a couple clicks on this side.
I didn't say nothing about
A couple more clicks on this side.
We just learned about that at school in HIV and all that. And home ec or whatever you want to call it. And then
Solid.
It's an STD. Really hurts.
yeah, you don't say. How many blisters do you have?
Right up there?
Yeah, you gonna ride it up there? Hey, don't hit my bike! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Tell Tell us what's going on.
Well, we're just
Dumpster fire marshmallow.
no, we're tightening the handlebars. We want it stuck this way so it doesn't turn left and right. And then we're gonna go to the back and tighten it down.
Repeat procedure.
Yeah,
My turn.
it'll be solid. It won't go anywhere. And you always got to smack it and say, that ain't going anywhere after you're done tying it down.
So how many people does it generally take to tie this down?
Most of the time it's just me.
Oh, most of the time.
But,
Looks like the whole family's happening today.
well,
Jay, you know how to do that? Yep, he's, look at that. Show me how you're doing it. He's not doing nothing, he's untying it. Hattie,
Yeah.
don't you help?
No.
I just
so
want your
normally,
viewers to know that any straps that come untied are always tied by you.
no.
Well, that's a possibility.
Most of the time she ties the straps up, keep them from flopping around.
Well, there you go. Let's show me how you do it. And we will
Where's it go?
go under there.
I'm just gonna fold it because I don't need it that way. You have a customized belt? I turn around.
You're doing a great job there.
I know. It ain't going nowhere.
And then Jay, normally, once we get home, he folds all the straps up, don't you?
How do you fold them up? Neatly?
Who taught you how to fold them up?
Mom.
No.
Oh, yeah, I did.
No. Definitely. She definitely did.
Oh, it goes up. There you go. There you go.
Oh, she lost them. You're really ruining my $30 gloves.
Yep. Very good timing.
$32.89. Ooh, Mom. Ethan, what'd you do with my other one?
I think it's, I don't remember.
Horribly bad.
Oh, Mayor's.
It's
It's up front
it's
right there.
What happens if you put something white on your butt? Do you think it'll stain it?
Something white? Let's see. Leave it up front.
Right here.
Go ahead. Alright, you're missing one. Ma'am, I need to put this one there.
I'm not missing one. I was tying that one.
Don't you step on that. It's a diesel. It's a diesel.
What's it?
It's time to
It's
get in
a Duramax with a Allison transmission. Okay.
Bye.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a long ride home.